Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing the new Sony Alpha ZV-E10 mirrorless camera. So let's start. I just bought it from the Best Buy. So as you can see, so here, let's open this beast, what it comes with. So here you go, some warranty card, and there is some manuals, and there's some other manuals, some more manuals in other languages maybe. Let's skip to the main part which we are excited for, right? And the packing comes really good. It has a cardboard hard box which is not unbreakable. So it comes with this thing. What is this? Let's see. It's a charger, so we will keep it here. So a Sony cord, we can keep it here. What is this thing? So we can see, yeah, this is the thing. This is the wind mic. So basically this is the wind mic, and then this is the cord for the camera. This is the battery, and the final product. I bought it with the lenses, so it has a lens as well attached to it. As you can see, that's the camera with the lenses attached. So you can see it's really grip here. It's really good. And the screen can go there and like this, and also you can close it if you don't like it. The display, the modes, I haven't explored it. It's my first mirrorless camera, so let's see what it brings with. So it comes with these things: the camera, the power, the cord, the mic which can be attached here, and the strip, and the charger. So let's see, I will make a next review video for this, and let's see what this beast holds in it.